Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Discover with JC, and today I'm in Aba again. This is Emelogu Road that was reconstructed by the Abia State Governor, His Excellency Governor Alex Chioma Oti. So he reconstructed this Emelogu Road, so you can see how clean and beautiful this road is. Not just this road though, he constructed many other roads in Aba. Aba is getting beautiful by the day. My brother, if it has been long you came to Aba and you come to Aba now, you might not be able to recognize, Aba right now because it's totally different from the Aba you used to know. Okay, so guys, if the first time you're tuning into my channel, please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share. In this video I'm going to take you to another road that was reconstructed, the Omahia Road in Aba. And not just that, I also want to use this opportunity to show you how beautiful Aba is, and also tell you that Aba is the best place you can come right now and live and also invest. Hey, do you know why? Because of the geometric power plants. The geometric power plants that is in Aba right now. My brother, light is not going to be the problem of Aba anymore. It's going to be 247 constant electricity supply. Okay, watch this video to the end. Tell me what you think about Aba. Tell me if the development in Aba is moving so fast. Just tell me what you think. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share. So we are still on the Emelogu Road, and I'm still going to take you to other places in Aba. I have many videos about Aba, so kindly go through my channel and watch the one you want to watch. Work is going on everywhere in Aba. The road construction, the different developments is taking place in Aba. Okay, but more especially this road construction, and that one dey sweet us pass because Aba needs to have good road network. Okay, because since this place is a business area, a lot of people live here, so a lot of people drive around, drive from their house to their shop or their business center. So the roads need to be good, and to also encourage investors to come into Aba, the roads need to be okay. So this is Opobo Road in Aba. You can see how wide and nice the road is. So if you are planning to come to invest in Aba or do business, start coming. Don't waste time. Just start coming, because Aba now, is taking back its glory. You understand? Aba Mahalama. Hey, what a good. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video. Keep sharing. If you ask me, I will tell you that in the southeastern part of Nigeria, Aba is one of the cities with the best road network. Okay, their roads, oh my God, Aba roads right now, they are very sweet. You can see from the video. And what is going on in Port Harcourt Road, Aba, I also went there and I did a video. You want to know how Port Harcourt Road Aba looks like right now? Okay, I have the video, and I'm going to post that video after this video. Okay, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share. ụmụnne unu ahụla n'otu Aba dị. Aba dịzi sharp. Aba wuru shu etere polish, ghọtago. Aba amaala ezigbo mma, ọ bụrụ okwu ebere ihe, ọ dị ka m kwara mgbomgbo m sef bịa biri na Aba. Lee n'ụzọ. Lee n'ụzọ. Ụzọ ozinụ ama m otu m ga-esi wee kpọọ dịsi ụzọ ndị m na-ahụ na Aba kịta anụ a. Aba ozi dachi ịghọtara, ekekpọla Aba ozi ihe niile. Kekwana ihe ị na-eche nwanne investọ, kekwana ihe ichega. Bata na Aba ka ime biznes. Ọ iburu moto gị pịam, shi n'ụlọ gị gbara gị irule ebe ị na-eme biznes gị gbara pịam lọtakwa, ịghọtago. Ihe niile ị chọrọ dị na Aba. Security will dachi, ịghọtago. Ihe niile ị chọrọ dị na Aba, so what are you waiting for? Come and invest in Aba. Thank you very much for watching this video. Keep watching no maka na ọbụrụkwa end ya bụ nke a. Keep watching, okay? Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video. If I passed places that you have been to before, comment in the comment section. Let's interact, okay? Thank you guys for always watching my video. Bye.